Alright, what's up everybody? This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and sometimes I get a dirty grill. And we all have the regular grill cleaning brushes, but recently I was at a show and found the Great Scrape. So the Great Scrape is actually a new way to clean your grill with oak wood. It smells amazing, and so what you're going to do, we're going to put this on, we're going to heat the grill up, and then we're going to put the point of this and we're going to work it into the grill grate so it forms to your own grill grates on your own grill. So I got the grill heating up right now. We're going to go check this thing out. This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and you got to love the customization they do too. Let's get ready to grill. All right guys, we got the grill heated up. We got the Great Scrape ready. Let's get down to work. You see, I have some grill grates on here that are thicker than normal, and I got a dirty grill just for this occasion. So it's got to be hot, and then you work it. It may take a while to work this in there. Let's see, after we've done that for a minute, do we have any grooves? So we have some grooves starting to form. I can already feel they're picking up. Your individual grates may work out totally different each time. Alright, this is Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and I've been working out the Great Scrape now on my grill grates, probably about 30 minutes over the hotness coming off of the grill so I could get these grooves in the bottom. Check those things out. That helps form to your individual grill. Here's what it looked like before, nice and flat, and now you got grill marks in there. So you can see, now when you get it in there, if you come down, you can see how it sits in there versus before, like this. So most grills are not this deep with their grates, but the grill grate is. So yours won't take it 30 minutes to get it worked that far down, unless you have grill grates. This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge, and this is the Great Scrape.